I'm here in Las Vegas for the 21st annual Viva Las Vegas Rockabilly Show. It's all about music, but it's also all about cars. We've got easily 2,000 cars here, all kinds of customs, lead sleds, tail draggers, hot rods. Come on in and let's see what we got.
Hi, my name is James Ryle. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I'm here with my wife Kaylee. This is our first Viva Las Vegas, and this is my 1926 Tall T traditional hot rod.
What engine have you got in here?
I've got a 1958 289 small block out of an old GMC pickup truck.
Did you build this car yourself?
I bought it, let's say 3/4 completed, and then I had to finish it myself.
What did finishing it involve?
Mostly just making it your own. We did a little bit of engine work that needed to be done because it was running pretty rough. We had to change it over from gear time to chain time. We did distributor, we did some piston work, we did a cam into it. It was essentially a roller, a really good built roller.
Welcome to Viva Las Vegas!
Now here is what it's all about. We have this way cool 59 Chevy, and in the background, you're listening to the one and only Dwayne Eddy live on the stage.
My name is Dave Cook. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia. I drove down to Viva Las Vegas in my 1959 Nomad that I've owned for about 7 years now.
I'm Susie Major from Port Dover, Ontario, Canada. I'm also known in the pinup community as Miss Susie Bombshell, and I have a lovely little pinup clothing store in Port Dover. So that is why I'm here, because I am obsessed with pinup clothing, pinup fashion, and all the awesomeness that goes with that, like rockabilly music and the classic cars. I'm also a car enthusiast. I own a 56 Ford Fairlane, and this is a great event.
As you can see, we've had a great time here with this great weather and all these great cars at the Viva Las Vegas 21st Annual Rockabilly Show. And for autoTRADER.ca, I'm Jil McIntosh.